Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Wenger knife. And this is the Wenger mountain bike, or the Wenger Biker 37. Or you may see it like this isn't, there's, I think, same tools. You get it on the Evolution Biker 37. But this one is an interesting knife. And you gotta love Wenger for some of the strange things they do. Y'all can probably tell the weird part right now. This thing. The thing that, it's like the tool that you use to do chain stuff. Like, I guess it's a chain rivet setter. I think that's what it's called. Kind of an interesting contraption. But yeah, this is a... Wenger's just got some great... They made some great choices. So, you got that particular tool. And then there's... Let's see. You got the Wenger... Ew, I need to clean this. You got the Wenger can opener. Looks like it was used to open a can, actually. And then you got the bottle opener, screwdriver, wire stripper. And by the way, I know I've complained about bottle openers a lot. I have no complaint whatsoever if a Swiss Army knife has a bottle opener. But every other tool should not have one. So, you got a pair of pliers. And these are the Wenger pliers. And you have the adjustable, and they have the little lever arm there. You've got a tool here, and this is one thing that I've never really cared much for with Wenger doing this. They have tools that pop off, and I can completely see that there are some tools that need to pop off a Swiss Army knife, but not super helpful. This is a... okay, hold on. This is a bike wrench. And it's a 10mm hex box wrench, a spoke wrench, and a screwdriver tire lever. Man. My interaction with my bicycle was not this involved. Anyway. I guess maybe it's a mountain bike thing. Oops. And I'll tell you what though, these stupid things, these pieces, they are inconvenient. They tend to, it's not uncommon to find knives with those missing. You got a little Phillips head screwdriver. And you have the Wenger universal wrench. I like this little thing. I've always liked this particular tool. I kind of wish Victorinox would add it to the knife that, like maybe they could put it on the Cybertool X or something. There's not a Cybertool X, but I'm just saying that if they were to make a Cybertool X, they should definitely include that. And then we got the normal large blade. Actually, that's interesting. This has a nail file instead of the small blade. And on the back, you got the corkscrew and the awl. And we have the scale tools, the toothpick, and the tweezers. Kind of a neat knife. I think that if I were out biking somewhere and I thought I might need to replace a chain, this might not be a bad choice of something to take with. I don't know. What do y'all think? Those of you that do mountain biking, would this be a good addition to your kit? Would it handle what you need to handle, or you think it's not up to the on-the-trail repairs? Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.